Good day! Today, we're gonna talk about adding and subtracting integers. What is integers? Integers. Integers are the set of whole numbers and their opposites. Whole numbers that are greater than 0 are positive integers. Whole numbers that are less than 0 are called negative integers. The integer 0 is neither positive or negative and has no sign. Okay, let's proceed. There are a lot of methods of adding and subtracting integers, but we'll give you two methods only, the number line and absolute value. Adding integers. The first method is by using a number line. So we get negatives here at the left and positives to the right. In adding a negative number, you move to the left, and if you're adding a positive number, you move to the right. Okay, let's have some example. The first one is negative 3 plus 6, so look for the negative 3. Here it is. Since I'm adding a positive number, you move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we stop by 3, so the answer is 3. Let's have another example. Negative 1 plus negative 5. Again, look for negative 1. Since I'm adding up negative number, we move to the left. So from negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we end up by negative 6. And the last example, 6 plus negative 2. So start with 6. I'm adding a negative number. Move to the left. 1, 2. So the answer is 4. So that is the number line method. The other method is absolute value. Absolute value have rules, the same sign and different sign. In same sign, add the absolute value and use the common sign. In different sign, subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger absolute value. Use the same sign as the number larger absolute value. Let me give an example for the same sign. Number 1 example is negative 10 plus negative 5. So I'm gonna add the absolute value 10 plus 5. So the answer is 15. And copy the same sign and we end up by negative 15. In different sign, we have here 3 plus negative 6. I will subtract the smaller value from the larger value. So 6 minus 3. The answer is 3. Then copy the sign of the larger absolute value. Then the answer would be negative 3.
Go. Let us now proceed to subtracting integers. Again, we will use what we used in adding integers. The first method is by using a number line. The thing you have to understand in subtracting integers by using a number line is when you're subtracting a positive number, you will move to the left. Then if you're subtracting a negative number, you will move to the right. Let us have our example number 1. Negative 5 minus 4. So I'm gonna look for negative 5, and here it is. And since I'm subtracting a positive number, move to the left, so count 1, 2, 3, 4. We stop at negative 9, so the answer is 9. Another example, negative 2 minus negative 4. So here we're subtracting same integers, they are both negative, so here is the negative 2. Subtracting a negative number, move to the right, so count 1, 2, 3, 4. We end up with 2, so the answer is 2. And for the last example, 6 minus negative 2, again, look for the 6, and since I'm adding a negative number, move to the right, count 1, 2. We end up with 8, so the answer is 8.
Created using Powtoon.